Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jennifer.
Hello, Jennifer. Hi, everyone. It's so wonderful to be here today. I'm very happy to talk to all of you.
I'm happy too, Jack. You look very relaxed today. Do you have your coffee?
Oh, you know me so well. Yes, I have a big cup of hot coffee. Delicious. And you, Jennifer, how are you today?
I'm great, thank you. I have my green tea and I'm ready to talk. I love our chats.
Me too. They're the best part of my day. But Jennifer, before we start our big topic...
Oh yes, everyone, if you like our podcast, click the like button now.
And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ. We make many podcasts for you.
And share it with friends or family who are learning English. Share the love, share the English.
Okay, Jennifer, what's our topic today?
Today is very important. Many people need to hear this. You don't need to rush. You just need to keep moving.
Wow, I like that. You don't need to rush. That means go slow, right?
Exactly. Sometimes learning English feels like a race. People want to learn everything in 1 week.
Oh, I know. They say, I want to speak perfect English tomorrow. But that's very hard.
Impossible, Jack. And when they're not perfect tomorrow, they feel sad and want to stop.
Yes, people get stressed because they are in a hurry. They think they're too slow.
But being slow is okay. The important part is don't stop.
Don't stop. I like that. It's like a long walk. Don't run, just keep walking.
Yes, imagine a big mountain. The mountain is English, very big.
Oh no, a mountain? That sounds scary, Jennifer. I'm not a good climber.
Don't worry, you don't need to jump to the top. Take one small step today, one small step tomorrow.
Ah, one step at a time. So if I learn just one new word today, that's okay?
More than okay. It's fantastic. 1 word today is better than 0 words today.
That makes me feel better. Sometimes I see big English books and I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed is a big word, Jack. But yes, big books can be scary. My first tip, start small.
Start small. Okay, like 5 minutes?
Yes, only 5 minutes. Can you listen to English for 5 minutes while drinking coffee?
Oh, yes. 5 minutes is easy. I can listen to a song or a short story.
Exactly. 5 minutes every day is better than 3 hours only on Sunday.
Really? Why?
Because your brain likes habits. Daily practice makes English a friend. 1 day only, English is a stranger.
Ah, make English my friend. I like that.
And don't rush to understand every word. If you listen to a song and understand only hello and love, that's a victory.
A victory. I like winning, so I don't need to understand the whole song.
Not today. Maybe next month you'll understand more. Today, just enjoy the music.
That takes the pressure away. I feel more relaxed now.
Good. When relaxed, your brain learns better. When stressed, your brain closes.
Oh no, I don't want a closed brain. I want an open brain.
Then stop rushing, Mr. Fast. Slow down and enjoy the journey.
Okay, I'm slowing down. But Jennifer, what about speaking? Many people want to speak fast.
That's another big mistake. Fast doesn't mean good. If you speak fast but make many mistakes, hard to understand.
Oh, I see. So if I say, I am going to the park, that's okay?
Perfect. Clear speech is communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. We said that in another episode, right?
Yes, important. Speaking slowly gives you time to think.
True. When I speak fast, I get nervous and forget everything.
We all do, even me. So tell yourself, it's okay to be slow.
I will. Jack, be slow. Jack, be clear.
Good job. Now, another tip, comparing.
Comparing? You mean looking at other people?
Yes.
Sometimes I see a person on the internet speaking amazing English, and I think, oh, I'm bad. They're so good. I want to be like them now.
Oh, I do that too. I see people and feel a little sad my English isn't like that.
But, Jennifer, we don't know their story. Maybe they studied for 10 years. Maybe they live in London.
Exactly. We only see their success, not their hard work. Your only competition is you. Are you better than you were yesterday?
Yesterday I didn't know the word overwhelmed. Today I know it. So yes, I am better.
See? You are winning. You are moving. That's all that matters.
You're very smart, Jennifer. This makes me want to keep moving. But what if I feel tired? What if I want to stop for a day?
Great question. If you're tired, you can rest. Rest is good, but don't quit.
What's the difference between resting and quitting?
Resting means you stop for a moment to get energy. Quitting means you give up on your dream.
Oh, I don't want to give up. I want to speak English with the world.
Then take a rest day. On a rest day, no grammar, no books. Maybe just watch a funny movie in English with subtitles in your language.
Oh, I like that. A movie is not work. A movie is fun.
Exactly. That's still moving. You're still hearing English. You're not quitting.
That's a very kind way to learn English. I like being kind to myself.
It's the only way. If you're mean to yourself, you'll stop.
So, no more saying I'm stupid or I'm slow?
Never say I'm learning and I'm getting better.
I like those sentences. They feel warm.
They are. Now, Jack, what's something small you did this week for your English?
Oh, I changed the language on my phone to English.
Wow, that's a big step. Was it hard?
At first, yes. I was looking for my photos and couldn't find the word. But then I saw photos and remembered. Now I see words like settings, messages, and clock every day.
Perfect example of moving without rushing. You use your phone every day. Now you see English every day. A small habit.
Yes, and I didn't spend 3 hours studying. Just used my phone normally.
I love that. Everyone listening, can you try that? Change your phone to English. A small victory.
Yes, but remember, know where the settings button is first. Emily, I was thinking, what about mistakes? If we move slowly, do we make fewer mistakes?
Maybe, but mistakes will happen, and that's okay. Even moving slowly, you're moving forward. A mistake is just a small bump in the road.
A bump in the road. Just go over it and keep walking.
Exactly. Don't let a bump stop your whole journey.
You know, Jennifer, I feel much more confident now. I always thought I needed to be fast. I thought being slow meant I was failing.
You're not failing, Jack. You're a star. Look at us. We're talking a lot in English.
See, I kept moving, and now I'm here. Amazing. I want to tell everyone, please don't be sad if you're slow. Be proud.
Yes, be proud you're trying. Many people never try. You are brave.
Brave English Learners. I like that title.
Me too. Now, Jack, I think it's time for our little recap. We talked about many good things today.
We did. Very helpful chat. I remember the first thing, starting small. Only 5 or 10 minutes a day is better than a long session once a week.
And the mountain. We don't need to jump to the top, just one small step at a time.
Exactly. And speaking, we don't need to be fast, we need to be clear.
Slow and clear, like your coffee. Wait, coffee is not slow, but your talking can be slow.
And don't compare yourself to others. Only look at your own progress.
Yes, your only competition is the Jack from yesterday. Today's Jack is better.
And the last thing, be kind to yourself. If you're tired, rest, but don't quit.
Change your phone language, watch movies, and enjoy the journey.
Perfect. You remembered everything, Jennifer. You are a great listener.
Well, it's easy to listen when the conversation is so fun.
I agree. This was a wonderful episode. I hope it helps our friends at home feel more relaxed.
I hope so too. You're doing a great job, everyone. Keep going.
Yes, keep moving. Even if it's slow, it's beautiful.
Well, Jack, it's almost time to go.
It is, but before we say goodbye, we have a question for our listeners.
Ooh, I love the questions. Everyone, please write a comment below. We love reading them.
Our question is, what is one small step you will take today for your English?
Maybe a 5-minute song? Maybe changing your phone language. Tell us.
Yes, we want to know. And please don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ.
And click the like button if you had fun today.
Share this episode with one friend who feels stressed about English. Tell them, relax, you are doing great.
That is a beautiful gift for a friend.
It really is. Well, Jennifer, I think that's all for today.
Thank you, Jack. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep moving.